Armpits are very hairy and I've been saving them for this exact moment so we can wax them together and see how this works. So this is the pot and it's so cute. The wax that I'm gonna choose is the I'm Sensitive Meltdown wax. And apparently they don't stick to your skin, they just stick to the hair, which is why this brand is called Crybaby Wax, because it's supposed to be like wax for people who are like really sensitive. The thing I'm gonna go in with to prep my skin is their Ride or Cry AHA Exfoliating Splash. Wiping this under the arms. I'm gonna go in with the talc-free priming powder. I think this kind of gets rid of like the oils on the skin, so you get like a better wax. The wax is ready to go. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth. My hair grows in all different directions, so I'm just gonna try my best. I feel like it kind of goes this way, and then I'm gonna pull against. Just want it to dry down, and then when it's ready, you're gonna pick up the end here and then pull. That actually took off a good amount of hair. I feel like now I'm gonna get a little bit more brave and do the rest. The final results, it's kind of red because I was trying to scrub off the excess wax. It looks amazing. This is honestly the best like at-home wax experience I've probably ever had. This literally looks amazing.